You brush, you floss, you rinse with mouthwash, and you still have bad breath, bleeding gums, or cavities. Something's not right, and your dentist probably won't tell you what it is. In this video, I'm breaking down the truth about ProDentim, why it's going viral, what no one's telling you, and whether it's actually worth your money. Watch to the end, because I'm exposing real results, and I've got a 50% discount link in the description and pinned comment. Let's get into it. Here's the controversial truth. Your mouth needs bacteria. Not all bacteria are bad. In fact, your teeth, gums, and breath are protected by billions of good bacteria that live in your mouth, called the oral microbiome. But every time you blast your mouth with antiseptic mouthwash, you're nuking all the bacteria, even the good ones. This creates an imbalance. Bad bacteria thrive, good ones disappear. And you're left with sensitive gums, tooth decay, and breath that never really goes away. ProDentim is a clinically backed oral probiotic. It delivers 3.5 billion CFUs of good bacteria directly into your mouth. It's not a toothpaste, not a rinse. It's a chewable probiotic tablet that supports your oral health from the inside out. Ingredients like Lactobacillus reuteri and BLIS M18 have been studied for supporting gum health, reducing inflammation, and even reversing bleeding gums. It also includes prebiotic fiber that helps the good bacteria thrive, like inulin and malic acid from strawberries. I dove deep into real ProDentim reviews, and here's what I found. People are reporting fresher breath within days, gum bleeding and inflammation reduced in 1 to 2 weeks. Some users even noticed whiter teeth and less sensitivity. And the wildest part, many of these people were doing everything right, brushing, flossing, rinsing, before switching to ProDentim. Their mistake, fighting bacteria instead of feeding the right ones. Let's be real, there's a lot of hype around this product. But here's why I believe it's not a scam. Real scientific studies support the ingredients. It's made in the US, in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, and the thousands of 5-star reviews, they're legit, verified purchases. But here's the catch. ProDentim is only available through their official website. And the 50% off deal, it's real, but it doesn't last long, and stock runs out constantly. So, does ProDentim actually work? From what I've seen, yes. But this isn't some magic pill, it's microbiome science. If you want to fix the real cause of bad breath, bleeding gums, and recurring dental problems, click the link in the description or pinned comment right now to grab your 50% discount before it's gone. Your dentist might not tell you this, but your mouth is begging for it. Fix the root cause. Try ProDentim today. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe for more real talk on health that actually works.